this video we are going to learn theorem 7.2 and 7.3. Okay children, so theorem 7.2 statement is angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, here we will take let triangle ABC be an isosceles triangle. Okay children, isosceles triangle in which so here we will take the equal sides AB equals to AC. Okay, here I am constructing triangle ABC, that is isosceles triangle. Okay children, then you see this one is A, B and C. Okay, see here AB equals to AC, this much given conditions. Okay, here I am constructing. Okay, you draw bisector of the angle to BC at point D. Okay, that means this angle and this angle equal. Okay children, now what we have to prove? We have to prove angle B equals to angle C, right? To prove angle B equals to angle C. So here you see, you observe in triangle BAD and triangle CAD. Okay, these two are corresponding sides equal. These two are corresponding angles equal. And what is the AD? AD is the common side of these two triangles, right? That means by SAS congruent rule, okay, by SAS congruent rule, these two triangles will be congruent to each other. Okay, that we are going to write in triangle. Once again you see children, triangle BAD and triangle CAD. This order also very important. Okay, so here what given conditions? AB equals to AC, it is already given. AB equals to AC given because this is the isosceles triangle, right? And we have taken this angle equals to this angle because we have drawn bisector of the angle. Okay, so here I am taking angles 1 and 2. Okay, so angle 1 equals to angle 2. This is also B now. And AD is common, right? AD is common. So we can tell triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by which rule? SAS rule. By SAS rule, right? These two triangles are congruent to each other because these two corresponding sides and these two corresponding angles, and AD is common corresponding. Okay, so SAS rule, these two are congruent. Then when these two are congruent, these two angles also corresponding angles, here B and C. See, B and C starting points. Okay, these two angles also corresponding, that means these two also equal by CPCT. Okay, angle B equals to angle C by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay children, so here we have proved angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Okay, these two are equal sides. Opposite angles of these two equal sides means these two angles. We have to prove these two angles equal. Yes, it is proved. Okay children, now you see the theorem 7.3. See, just converse of this 7.2. Okay, this is the just converse of the theorem 7.2. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Okay, here we are constructing triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC. So here the sides opposite to equal angles, and we have taking these two angles are equal. Okay, see here, let angle B equals to angle C. Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay children, same thing, you draw bisector of the angle A to BC side at point D. Okay, that means this angle also equal. This is 1 and 2. Okay, here I am taking 3 and 4. Right? So here angle 3 equals to angle 4. Okay, because we have constructed in that way. Okay, angle 3 equals to angle 4. Then now you see, here I am taking, this one is 5 and this one is 6. Okay, by using angle sum property, see, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 180 degree, and angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 also 180 degree. Okay, that I am going to write here. See, 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals to 180 degree. Right? By angle sum property. Okay children, now you see, we know angle 3 equals to angle 4, so you can make it cancel. Okay, otherwise you can write, instead of angle 4, you can write here angle 3. Okay, that we will change. See now, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equals to, in place of angle 6, same we will write, in place of angle 4 I can write angle 3, right? And in place of angle 2 I can write angle 1, because these two angles are equal, right? So now angle 1 will get cancelled, angle 3 will get cancelled. Then what we got here, angle 5 equals to angle 6. Okay children, now you see, in these two triangles, in which two triangles? In triangle same BAD and triangle CAD. Okay, angle 3 equals to angle 4. Okay, AD is common, then angle 5 equals to angle 6, right, from this equation. Okay, so by these three conditions, what rule you can use? Angle, side, angle, right? So these two triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD. Okay children, by which rule? ASA rule. But what we have to prove? The sides opposite to equal angles. These two sides are the opposite to the equal sides. We have to prove AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. AB, AC. Right? These two are corresponding sides. So we can tell, therefore AB equals to AC by CPC. Okay children? When these two triangles are congruent to each other, this AB side and AC side are corresponding sides. That means these two will be equal by CPC. Okay? Here we had applied ASA congruent